Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Seal Meal, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started in towards the center of our page on the left, and we're going to draw a curved line from left to right for the top of the nose. Let's arch this line around and then in on either side, bringing that up. For the right hand side of the mouth, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then to the side of this, we're going to arch this line around and then down. Let's move up on the left-hand side now, curving this line over and up. And then starting from the top, we're going to arch this line around and then down. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth now, curving this line all the way around and then up on the right. In the center for the tongue, we're going to curve this line over, and then moving behind it, we'll replicate that. To the right of this, let's curve this line around and then in. And then one more time, we're going to arch that around and then down. To the left of this now, let's arch this line around and then in. And then we'll curve this over and back down. Let's draw on the right eye now. So we're going to curve this line around and then up. To the left of this, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then back down. On the inside, we're going to curve this line across and then up. And then we'll connect this together, arching this line all the way around and then down in the corner. To the right of this, we're going to draw in an oval. We'll move over to the left, and in the right-hand corner, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the cheeks now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving further down, we'll replicate that, curving that around, back up. Let's move over to the left. We're going to come down on a diagonal, replicating this just slightly smaller. And then we'll do the same thing one more time underneath. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right for the bottom of the face. Coming up on the right-hand side now, we're going to arch this line up and then down. And then moving over to the left, we're going to arch this line up and then down, closing off the side of the face. Towards the top now, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down. And now let's focus on our right arm. So we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down. And now to the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the top, let's continue to curve this line up towards the side. And then we'll move in towards the bottom, replicating that. Closing off the side of the arm, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom. On the inside now, as we move down, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's move underneath now, and we're going to curve this line around and then out. For the torso now, we're going to curve this line over and out on the top. And then we'll continue to extend this line around and then in. Above this, let's curve this line around and then up, extending that over for the tail. And then on the bottom, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll arch this line over and out for the left-hand side of the tail. In the corner here, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. At the point here, we're going to arch this line up and then down. And then moving behind this, we're going to arch this out and across. For the left arm, we're going to curve a small line that arches out. And then in the corner, we're going to continue to curve that in towards the top of the belly. Now we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, arching that down in the middle. In the center now, the water droplet, we're going to curve this line down, out, in, and then up. We're going to curve this line over for the necklace, and then we'll do the same thing on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Seal Meal, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.